Hello, my name's Michael Bonaventure. I'm a composer and organist living in Edinburgh. My cycle of pieces, entitled Morphology, was composed between August 2017 and February 2018. The collective title, Morphology, is really only an oblique reference to morphology in the sense of it being a study of the form of things. In this case, it's a study of the form and changeability of sound structures. In musical terms, each of the 7 pieces has a kind of shape, which you'll identify as a vocal motif, which either accrues fellow motifs or transforms or simply persists to the end more or less unchanged. I use the term morph instead of shape or voice because I like the word and its sound, and because it can evoke the idea of mutability. The vocal motif in each piece is mainly a chord. To create the chords, I took bits and pieces from a friend's recording of someone, perhaps himself, singing Dowland's Flow My Tears. Hence the sense that you are often hearing real words and or parts of them in the figures that seem to have some movement. Moreover, I wanted to extract long, single, pure tones so that I could layer them satisfactorily into chords and build the shapes, playing around with filters, transposing, echoes, reverb and so on. I did all this quite randomly at first, just messing around, until I started to hear in my mind's ear what the chords and shapes wanted to be. Astromorph evokes nebular amplitude with a torrid, dense atmosphere. Tetramorph has 4 motifs from the same source. The atmosphere is peaceful and frozen. Morph has a single shape on a sort of carousel. Trimorph has 3 motifs, each from a different source. The atmosphere here is very majestical and triumphant. Metamorph is a capricious shape changer, a sinister entity with various motifs which sometimes blend, superimpose, collide and transform. Morphodelic has multiple shapes, a kaleidoscope of shapes, with numerous motifs circling and spiralling in a psychedelic way. Terramorph is earthbound and warm, with one single motif unchanging in its trajectory from start to end.